Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Motorola G75, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable Google Assistant on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings. Next we have to head to Google Options, that's right here. Here we have to click on All Services, Search Assistant and Voice. And right here we have to choose Google Assistant. We have to sign in. And as you can see, now we are in the Google Assistant settings. Right here we have to scroll down and find General option. And if it's not turned on, all we have to do to turn on Google Assistant is click this button and click Turn On. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!